Me and them there, you know. Me and my bird them there, you know. You know where my rest of family the bird them there, you know. And me I said to the eye them say, well, big up on yourself. Yeah man, and this is a veteran ends. You see me? Chinaman ends this. And you see that one side of us, every piece apply rotten people. Veteran can't live here, so yeah. Cause you know man are roots. I have some living now. I may ask you some love. You know. I ask you some love from the eye them. One side, whole other side of us. You know, rotten people. See it there? And you know a peer chichi and sit and come down. You know, and veteran I ask you some love. You see me? Yeah man, me ask the world. If you don't get this, yeah man. I want to put on a couple pieces of ply on the side and make the place look better and get it paint up, you know. Most of the ply them rotten, see all the next side eye there. Yeah man, a veteran ends, you know. Yeah man, see all my box are short for my door there. Yeah man, so may I say to all of my subscribers them. And yo, all of my subscribers them, big up, you know, may I ask you if you don't get this. You know, may I ask you some love, you know. Anyone can help me with a couple sheet of ply. You know, send on a thing, come get the veteran. Yeah, make me move up them ply off of my hands. You see what I say, people, you know, look good. You see? So all of my subscribers them, may I ask you to submit to the thing. You know, send off a thing, come get Chinaman the veteran and make me set up that one side of my ends. You see it, people. And you know the veteran 7 is 568 94 97. Send off a thing, come get the veteran, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Show some love, people, man. I mean, I'm a bird them there, you know, people. You hear that? To the world. Love, seeing. Yeah, man, veteran ends want to renovate. So me ask them for some love. Seeing? I gotta move now. Seeing? Submit. Love and thanks to the world. Veteran TV. Irie. Check it in 1876 568 94 97. I'm 7s that me ask you some love, people. Make the veteran, you know. January. You hear me? That is it. Mad. Love.